Let's have a quick look at how to join on a mobile phone and add a shortcut widget to a smart device's home screen. The user opens the email and sets their preferred password. Next, they will be prompted to log in. Allow location tracking to enjoy the map features. Once they accept the terms and conditions, they will be granted access to the app. Admin and super admin users will have access to the team calendar. Technicians view their tasks on the My Tasks page. Let's have a look how to add a PipeApp shortcut widget to your mobile device. On an iPhone, click the square box with the arrow at the top right of your screen and select Add to Home Screen when prompted. You can create a custom name and save the widget to your home screen. The process for Android and Windows phones are similar. Click on the three dots at the top right of your screen. Select Add to Home Screen and save. The last step is to create a custom name and save the widget to your home screen. Next time you wish to access your tasks, simply open the app on your phone. You can log in via your search engine, similar to the way you view your favorite news or sports website. Navigate to www.pipe-app.com. Enter your registered email address. You can access several organizations via the same email address. All your registered organizations will appear on the drop-down list. Select the organization you wish to access. Enter your password. You can check the option to keep you signed in. Your search engine may offer to save your login and password details depending on your device's settings. Allow the location tracker to enjoy all the map and GPS features. You are all set and can navigate the app. You can add a bookmark or shortcut widget to your device. If you are a registered user on several organizations, you can add a shortcut widget to your device for each organization. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you require additional information, please contact our support team. You can select your next tutorial in the comments section below.